What's up? This is Braxton from Bold Hacks. I want to make a video about how to make an amazing dinner / lunch. It's inspired by Tom Merrick from Bodyweight Warrior. Shout out to him. It's called the Thai poached whole chicken with steamed vegetables. And I've been thinking about this all day yesterday, all day today. I'm really excited to cook it and experience the flavors of it, because I really love Thai food and the Thai flavoring. So here I've got all the ingredients laid out. I'm gonna have a picture and probably a blog post with everything linked up here of what to include. The thing I love about this as well is it's super simple in the sense that you pretty much just throw everything in the pot, leave it there for 60 minutes. You will, debone the chicken, separate the meat, make some rice, which if you have a rice cooker, it's easy. If you don't, it's still somewhat easy. And then you just throw it all together. And it serves like 4 to 6 people, depending on how hungry. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yo, I'm just finishing up editing this video that you're watching. I just had to bring it all together at the end with a couple things I left out. And it's actually been long enough, maybe like 2 weeks, since I first created this dish that I've made it a second time, and it's still a banger. It's still warmly received by everyone who's tried it. I said in the video 4 to 6 people. I was having leftovers for days. Like, I brought it, we had several people try it, we still have leftovers, so it's amazing. A couple things I wanted to touch on was, you don't have to use the exact ingredients. You can mix and match, add some additional things and play around. I mentioned coconut cream. I highly recommend that. Put that in the standard recipe because it adds a great character to the profile, the taste profile. Also, I've been adding eggs for the leftover version while I'm heating it up. Once it gets hot enough, I'll drop in 1 to 3 eggs in there, stir it up. I'll try to keep the yolk intact too, though, for the nutrition in there. You don't want to fully cook it. And then also yuzu sauce. It's from Trader Joe's. I'll pop up a picture here. I love yuzu. It's amazing and it's great. I think it matches all right with this dish. Maybe isn't super Thai, but I like the spice, the additional kick in there. Anything else in here? Oh, Tom, I mentioned him earlier. Tom Merrick, he's so cool. I've watched several of his videos and he honestly just seems like a really awesome human being. So please go subscribe to his channel. He's got other meals and he's got really cool videos on gymnastic strength training, mobility, flexibility, and lots of good stuff. So throw him some love. And I also want to mention this. I got some bok choy from a tower garden, which is a really cool piece of technology. You can grow you can't grow everything in here, but what you can grow in here, it thrives. As you can see, it's hydroponics, uses like 90% less water. It's pretty cool. I'll throw a link up where you can get it, but I could do a whole video about that. This video is about the Thai chicken though, so I'll cut it off here. Anyways, hope this was a great video for you guys. Please try it out. Let me know how it went, if it was a flop, if it was a major success, and I'm looking forward to seeing the comments down below. And I will be uploading more delicious, nutritious recipes because that's what I love. I love enjoying the taste and also feeling good after, feeling that food high. And if you haven't experienced that, then you got to get on that bandwagon because you don't need to choose taste or performance. You can get the best of both worlds. Take care. Have a bold freaking day.